Imagine you could have anything you wanted. A new phone, a car, unlimited pizza. Sounds amazing, right? Well, here's the problem. You can't. And neither can anyone else. Not even billionaires. Not even entire countries. Why? One word. Scarcity. Scarcity is the fundamental problem in economics. It's simple. Human wants are unlimited, but our resources are limited. You want more things than you have time, money, or energy to get. Businesses want to produce more than their factories and workers can handle. Governments want to fund more programs than their budgets allow. This gap between what we want and what we can actually have, that's scarcity. And it affects everyone, everywhere, all the time. Quick clarification. Scarcity is not the same as a shortage. A shortage is temporary, like when your favorite store runs out of a product. Scarcity is permanent and universal. Even the richest person in the world faces scarcity because they have limited time. They can't be in two places at once. They can't live forever. Because of scarcity, we're forced to make choices every single day. Should you study for your economics test or hang out with friends? Should a business invest in new equipment or hire more workers? Should a government spend more on education or healthcare? Here's the key insight. When you choose one thing, you give up something else. That thing you give up, economists call that opportunity cost. It's the value of your next best alternative. Because resources are scarce, every society must answer three fundamental economic questions. 1. What should we produce? More smartphones or more food? More cars or more hospitals? 2. How should we produce it? With advanced machines or human labor? What's the most efficient method? 3. For whom should we produce? Who gets the goods and services? Everyone equally? Those who can pay the most? Different economic systems answer these differently, but every society must answer them because scarcity is unavoidable. So what exactly is scarce? Economists categorize limited resources into 4 factors of production. First, land, all natural resources, oil, forests, water, minerals. Second, labor, human effort, skills, and time, workers, teachers, engineers. Third, capital, and this is not money. In economics, capital means physical tools, equipment, and machinery used to produce goods. Fourth, entrepreneurship, the people who take risks, innovate, and combine the other factors to create businesses. All 4 are limited. That's why scarcity exists. Let's look at how scarcity affects you as a student. You have $20 and you're at the mall. You see a shirt you like for $15 and a new game for $20. You can't buy both. That's scarcity forcing you to choose. Or think about your weekend. You have 2 days off. Your friend invites you to a party, you need to study for Monday's test, you want to catch up on sleep, and your family planned a dinner. You literally cannot do everything. Your time is scarce, so you must prioritize. Here's another one. It's Sunday night. You have a math test and a history essay due tomorrow. You only have 3 hours before bed. Do you study for math and risk a lower grade on the essay, or finish the essay and hope you remember enough math? Every student faces this. Limited time, unlimited demands. Businesses face scarcity too. Imagine a small coffee shop with $5,000 to invest. They could buy a new espresso machine to serve customers faster, hire another employee to reduce wait times, or spend it on advertising to attract more customers. They can't do all 3. Whatever they choose, they're giving up the benefits of the other options. That's opportunity cost. Or think about a tech startup. They have 10 software engineers. Should those engineers build a new feature that customers are requesting, fix bugs in the existing product, or improve security? All 3 are important, but the team can't do everything at once. Their engineering time is scarce, so they must choose what matters most right now. Let's make this real. Every year, the government faces scarcity. They have a limited budget. If they spend more on national defense, they have less for education. More on healthcare means less for infrastructure. Every dollar spent on one program is a dollar that can't be spent somewhere else. That's opportunity cost in action. Politicians argue about these trade-offs constantly because scarcity forces us to choose. Here's your key takeaway. Scarcity is why economics exists. If we had unlimited resources, there'd be no need to study economics. Everyone could have everything. but that's not reality. Scarcity forces choices. Choices create opportunity costs, and that's what economics is all about. How do we make the best choices with limited resources? Master scarcity and everything else in AP Economics will start to make sense. Every model, every graph, every policy debate comes back to this one concept. You're now ready to think like an economist. Hit subscribe for more AP Economics breakdowns. Next up, supply and demand. See you there.